Boil over. When a liquid in a pot rises and spills over. The milk boiled over while I was on a call. Chop up. A person chopping onions with a chef's knife on a wooden board. She chopped up the onions for the curry. Stir in. To mix an ingredient into a mixture by stirring. Stir in the sugar until it dissolves. Heat up. To warm food. He heated up the soup in the microwave. Cut out. To remove or shape using a cutter. She cut out cookies with a star-shaped cutter. Mix up. To mix ingredients together. I mixed up the batter for pancakes. Dish out. To serve food. Grandma dished out big portions of stew. Fry up. To cook something by frying. I fried up some bacon for breakfast. Throw together. To prepare something quickly without much planning. She threw together a quick salad. Whip up. To prepare food quickly and easily. He whipped up an omelette in 5 minutes. Bake off. To finish cooking something by baking it. I baked off the pastry in the oven for 15 minutes. Cool down. To let food become cooler before serving or storing. Let the pie cool down before cutting it. Thaw out. To defrost frozen food. I thawed out the chicken before marinating it. Eat up. To eat all of something. Eat up your vegetables before dessert. Clean up. To clean after cooking or eating. We cleaned up the kitchen after dinner. Slice up. To cut something into thin pieces. He sliced up the bread for sandwiches. Pour out. To serve a liquid from a container. She poured out glasses of juice for everyone. Spread out. To evenly distribute something. Spread out the dough before adding the toppings. Put on. To begin cooking or heating food. I put on the rice to boil. Simmer down. To reduce heat and cook gently. Let the sauce simmer down for 20 minutes. Serve up. To present or bring food to the table. She served up the roast with mashed potatoes. Burn down. To overcook until something is charred or destroyed. I forgot the toast and it burned down to ashes. Peel off. To remove the skin from fruits, vegetables. He peeled off the skin of the apple. Roast up. To cook food in the oven using dry heat. I roasted up some vegetables for dinner. Pack up. To store leftover food in containers. She packed up the leftovers for lunch tomorrow. Break up. To divide food into smaller pieces. Break up the chocolate before melting it. Cook up. To prepare or invent a dish. He cooked up a new pasta recipe from scratch. Dry out. To lose moisture and become too dry. The turkey dried out because it was overcooked. Dish up. To serve food onto plates. She dished up curry and rice for everyone. Boil down. To reduce a liquid by boiling. Boil down the sauce until it thickens.